Hello everyone, I am Sanjeev Kumar from marinersfundpro.com. Today in this video I am going to practice mechanical aptitude test set 1. So let us start. In the first question I have gear problem. I have in our channel there is a playlist of for mechanical aptitude test, and I will give in that video I have given how to solve this type of problem. I have given tricks to solve it. So before solving the practice set you have to watch that video. So coming to the question here, in which direction does the orange gear rotate? To solve this type of problem, in gear problem you have internal gear or external gear. So in internal gear both gear will rotate in the same direction, but in external gear both gear rotate in opposite direction. So now coming to the question, here we have a external gear. Now we have to find the direction of orange gear. So we can see in the figure, blue figure rotating in the anti-clockwise direction. So I have already told you that if meshing is externally, then gear rotates in opposite direction. It is rotating in anti-clockwise, so it will rotate in clockwise, and it will rotate in anti-clockwise. So the right answer is second, counterclockwise. Anti-clockwise or counterclockwise is same, opposite to clockwise. Okay, next question. You can solve it easily. In which direction does the orange gear rotate? Okay, so all gear here is externally meshing, then it is rotating anti-clockwise. Okay, so small second figure attached to the it will rotate in clockwise, anti-clockwise, it will rotate in clockwise, anti-clockwise. We have to find the direction of orange, so our right answer is clockwise. Okay, next one, in which direction does the orange gear rotate? I have also give trick to solve the problem. You should must watch the video before solving this practice set. Okay, I have told about external gear, internal gear. Now it is with rope, or we can say related to belt. So if the belt is simple, then direction will be same, but if belt is cross in the figure of 8, then direction will be changed. Okay, same like you have to remember external gear direction change, internal gear direction same. So here belt is simple, direction will be same. Belt is composite, you can say in the figure of 8, then direction will be changed. Now you can solve the problem. Direction of this gear is given and attached with belt. Here our direction will be changed. Okay, it is anti-clockwise, and now due to this belt direction will change and become clockwise. Now externally, so anti-clockwise, now externally anti-clockwise. Now belt you can see, so simple belt arrangement, so direction will be same, then anti-clockwise. Now one more time I have to check, anti-clock, sorry, clockwise direction. Okay, so our right answer is clockwise. This is simple lever problem. To solve it, it's very easy. This is fulcrum and you have to balance the torque. Now you can check torque formula of torque is F into distance. Now here 5 into 2, or here 5 into x, x LV, x equal to 2. Okay, so right answer will be 2. Next problem you can solve easily. Equal 6 into x LV. Okay, here 20 into 6 plus 30 into 3, 120 plus 90, 210 divided by 6, 120 by 6, sorry 210 by 6. So here right answer will be 35. Okay, next question. This is a special type of mechanical aptitude problem. To solve, I am giving, first understand the question. This is height and this is ramp, and here is your ball. Okay, and you have to apply force, 15 meter height and 45 meter ramp. Okay, now how much force you will apply? Then I will, first of all I will make you understand how to solve this type of problem. It's weight W. Okay, and here force. Understand, this is a W, same. Okay, 180 pound. Here assume weight W. This is height and this is distance. So here formula for this type of problem is F into D equal to H into W. H into W, F into D, both are equal. So let's come to the problem. 15, 45, F, and here W. F into 45 equal to 180 into 15. F equal to 60 kg. Okay, so right answer will be 60. Okay, here your right answer will be 60. Option is not given, but your right answer will be 60. Okay, now next problem. In which situation the weight pushing down on orange pole is highest? It is your basic understanding problem. Think this is a wall, and where will you force face more force? Here. Obvious it is, you will force here more. Okay, so right answer will be situation B. In this condition the weight pushing down the orange pole is in the situation B. This is basic question. Okay, so let us assume this is a ladder, and where will be the weight pushing? Obviously at the down, weight pushing is more. Okay, now next question. In which pulley system needs the least amount of effort? I have given the concept for the pulley arrangement. You can watch the video. If the wire is same, then force along the rope is same. Here if here force same, then along the wire force same. For the same condition force is same. Okay, now here in this condition force is F, but in this condition arrangement is like this. Pulley here T, that means 2T equal to mg, T equal to mg by 2. So least amount of force will be in the pulley system A. So right answer will be A. Okay, this is the end of the practice set 1 and in the next video we will continue with the practice set B. Till then, keep revising the topics and links for the revising given in the description below. Thank you.